To connect your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G with a car, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to select more connectivity options. After entering it, scroll all the way down to Android Auto right here. Now click on it, and there's a few things that you need to do if you haven't already before it actually opens. You might need to connect to the Wi-Fi network. You can also enable a Bluetooth at the same time, as it will be needed probably. Now you should see a screen like this. If it doesn't look like that, then you also need to log into your Google account. After that, finally, we'll be able to update our Android Auto app, which allows us to connect with our car. This app is necessary, so update it. Just wait a moment until the update is finished. When it's done, all you have to do is go back, click on Android Auto again, and then there's a new screen. Now there's two options to connect with your car. First one is through the cable. So if you have a cable that allows you to connect it with your car, just plug it in to the phone in your car, and then click on Connect Vehicle. If you want, you can also try a Bluetooth method if your car does support that as well. You just have to click on Connect using wireless Android Auto, and then enter pairing mode on your car. After a moment, you should be able to click on Connect using Bluetooth and pair a vehicle. And after that, your vehicle should be shown in available devices right here. Just select it from the list. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.